So today we're gonna do nails.
Nah, it's giving Barbie vibes up in here today. I'm loving it. I'm getting better, guys, don't lie. Since the car boot sale video, my voice still isn't 100%, but you know how it is. I'm gonna do my thing. I have a special guest with me today because we're doing Barbie vibes today and we're at home and it's the evening, you know, we chill. Who have we got? Come on. It's little Miss Grayson. She's so crazy. Are you gonna help me out today?
Yes.
Yeah, you're gonna help me unbox. I'm literally about to drag this big old box up in here. When the guy bought it for delivery today, I was like, is this my life at this point? But I'm loving it. So yeah, let's get seeing some goodies.
I'm gonna bring the box.
Ciao. Someone please look at the size of this box. It's insane. Look at this.
Look at this box.
Yeah, and Marky's here right now. Look at him behind there. I finished the lolly. What do you want me to do with this? I can't even pick it up. Oh. I did it! Put it down. Hit the baby. Oh my gosh. I'm tired already. Alright. Let's unbox it.
Yeah.
I'll tell you again. Just leave it. This is what it's really like when you have kids and you're trying to start a small business. This is the reality. Not just like everyday videos with no kids. That's a lie. Okay? They got cropped out. Please, yeah. Okay. Now y'all can come out. Now y'all can come out of the video.
That's a cool thing.
Oh, we got a new order from TikTok shop. Yay! Alright, so this order, oh, it's massive. Hold on, please. Whole bunch of paper that we don't need. Oh my gosh, it's loads. We have a whole bunch of nail art, guys. Look at this nail art kit, guys. It's loads, literally. Look. And then we got like pigments in there. I think they're all the same. I'm gonna double check, but they should all be the same thing. I'm probably just gonna do that for a $5. I got them super cheap and I thought that I might as well give nail art a go. And then I forgot that I had bought these because they took so long to be delivered that I bought another set of nail art bits. I'm going to show you that in a little moment, but this comes in a box and is really adorable. Now we're going to count how many of these little boxes there are so we can have a confirmed number. Are you going to help me count?
Yeah.
You're going to put it down there when you count, okay? So 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. I think that's all of them. Oh, I found something. Oh, yeah. Where were we? 14, 15, 15. Okay, I think that may be it. There's some random nails in here. Like, honestly, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with those, but I think I'm just gonna keep them or chuck them away. And next we have a 𝘕𝘭 nail extension gel, and these are just poly gel kits. Let me show you what they look like.
It's so cute.
It's really adorable. So yeah, it comes with everything you need. Top, base, nail file, comes with the instructions, the poly gel brush, comes with the slip solution and 3 different colour gels. It says light purple, grey brown and a magenta. That's quite cute. And then it has the extra nails, so at least now we know where the other one came from, and we're about to count how many of these boxes we have. You ready?
Yeah.
1,
1,
2, 5, 11, 16, 18, 19. So I have 19 of those, and then I have a really weird box. I don't even know what's in it. I hope it doesn't blow up. Random and broken. So that can be thrown away. Then I have some UV LED nail curers. I'm gonna have to double check that everything works. I always do it when I get electronics because I don't want to be giving people things that don't work. If I'm happy with it, then I'm happy to sell it. But if it's like twitching and things like that, then I just throw it away. Honestly, when you order bulk electronics, it's not like a guarantee that all of them are just gonna work 100%. So just to be sure, just to be safe, I would recommend always double checking. I'm just gonna count how many nail curers I have, so let's get to it. So I have 14 UV lights, 19 polygel kits and 15 nail art sets. So now that we know that, we can plug it into our TikTok shop. Like, honestly, behind me, it's just like an accumulation of product. But it's okay because it's selling really well. I'm so happy that TikTok shop is a thing. And if you sell any kind of physical products, guys, I recommend jumping on TikTok shop. It's amazing. It's amazing. I wanted to quickly show you guys some of the other bits that I got. So I did get the other nail art kit pack that I was saying. I have about 29 of these. And then I have some acrylic kits, and these come in different sizes. So this is my medium pack. I do have like a large. The containers are about this big, and then I do have a small where the containers are about this big, and that's for a beginner. But this one is really good. It comes with some liquid monomer, and it comes with its own brush. And then I have a really cute diary, and it comes with like a matching pen, and it's key. And then I have some XXL square nail tips, and they're just freaking awesome. And I have about 30 of those, but I have only a small number of these. Get them when you can, because when they're gone, they are gone, and I don't know the next time I'll be able to find something like this, okay? So yeah, those are my most recent updates to my TikTok shop. Okay, so now it's time to test all the 𝘬𝘓s and make sure that they're all working in perfect condition before we put them on anything and take any product pictures. I have my extension cable ready, and all the boxes are right here, so I'm literally just gonna go through it like I'm a little factory of my own. So let's do it. Everything has to be as perfect as possible. I'm like, as perfect as possible. Now that I know that all my 𝘬𝘓s are working and in good condition, I can go ahead and do my product pictures. So let's do that. What'd you say?
Look at the clouds.